Hi-oh. Hi. Hello. Oh, Dada's over there.
I'm so pissed.
Did you want to talk to Dada? You want to talk to Dada?
He's like, I know that she didn't want to freaking sandwich.
What is he saying?
I was going to get a cheeseburger, but
You do know?
that's that. Shocking that you followed through.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Killing me to have to do this.
Uh-oh. What are you doing?
She didn't seem happy.
Uh-oh. Are we done? Bye-bye.
Quite frankly,
Uh-oh.
I don't care.
Hello. Hi.
Always.
Really?
Victory never feels good.
Oh. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, okay. Just bye-bye. Oh, okay. I'm back. I'm back. What? That's what happened. No.
Okay. What are you eating now?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell you guys, even if you can't cook or you're going out, you can always go to Subway. The excuse is there's no time to eat right. Well,
Oh, yeah.
perfect solution.
Uh-huh.
Fit menu, lean proteins,
You done? Bye-bye.
You make smarter choices.
You done?
Good job.
Bye-bye. Oh.
I know I lifted that ball.
No.
I know for a fact. So, I've never cheated anything in my life.
Hi.
Not even getting pepper. So, to throw it on that gauntlet, it's rude.
Hi.
That's all it is. It's rude. I'm sorry if you're and I know I did it.
Rivalry going on in the room. I tell you what. I say we do it again.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Who's
Oh, really?
Let's do it.